Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll be starting exercise 1b. Question number 1. If x is directly proportional to y cube. X is directly proportional to y cube. So when we bring this proportionality into equality, so we put some constant. X is equal to k y cube. First part is find an equation connecting x and y. So this is the answer to the first part. Also it is given x is equal to 32, y is equal to 2. We will put these two values in this equation and we will find the value of k. X is equal to k y cube. X is 32 and y is 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3, we know it is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 into k is equal to 32. We'll divide it both the sides with 8. So k is equal to 4. Now second part is find the value of x. We need to find x when y is equal to 6. It is given that y is equal to 6, and meanwhile we'll also put k is equal to 4. These we'll be putting again in equation 1. X is equal to k y cube. X is unknown, k is 4, y is 6. So it becomes now we need to multiply by 4. $864. So x is equal to 864. This is the answer to part number 2. Now we will go to part number 3. For part number 3, I'll read out the statement for you, what's given in the part 3. It is mentioned in part 3 is that calculate the value of y. We need to know the value of y when x is equal to 108. So from the previous portion we got k, how x was 32, y was 2, so k was 4, value of k was 4. So we'll put these values in equation 1. X is equal to k y cube. X is 32, k is 4, y we need to find out the value of y. 4 is multiplied by y cube, so once it goes to other side it will be divided. 32 divided by 4 is equal to y cube. So y cube is equal to 8. So we know that we can write 8 as 2 power 3. 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to y cube. This cube will be cancelled with this one, so y is equal to 2 is the answer. So y is equal to 2 is the answer of part number 3.